Submitting a request or a claim to a provider can take time and involve completing numerous forms and steps. Couple this with countless manual and inefficient processes within organisations to handle such requests, and the results can be damaging for your business. Of course, there's a better way. Meet Ada, your digital assistant. Embedded in your customer sites, integrated with your systems and using state-of-the-art artificial intelligence, image recognition, and chatbot functionality, Ada removes the manual effort out reporting issues or claims for your customers. On top of this, Ada is integrated into K2, a full digital process automation platform that can provide end-to-end automation for almost any process within your business. Let's take a look at how Ada and K2 can be used to capture and manage an insurance claim involving a car accident. The user starts by logging into the insurance provider's customer site. They click on the Report Claim section, which brings up Ada. In this instance, instead of filling out a form, the customer uploads an image of their car accident. Using enhanced image classification, Ada analyzes the photo and correctly identifies this report is to do with a car accident. Ada then captures more information about the customer, such as location, car type, policy details from the customer's profile, and allows the user to submit the claim. Ada passes all the data collected to K2, which will then start the claims handling process. Finally, the customer receives a notification that their claim has been submitted. Now that the claim has been submitted, claims handlers have a dashboard which shows all the current claims in progress, some high-level SLAs, and a work list of tasks to be completed. At any point, they can get a view of where any claim is at any point in time, via the K2 Process View Flow. Currently, the claim is in the Validate stage. The claim handler can action a task by selecting it from the work list. This opens up a form with all the relevant details from multiple systems and data sources, including all the information submitted via Ada. In this task, the user is required to validate that all data is correct before moving on to the next stage of the claim. Additional information can be captured at any point for audit purposes. After submitting the task, the workflow moves to the next stage, with status and progress updates showing. A new task has been assigned to the claims handler to check the policy coverage and check liability for the claim. All data is available, including the audit notes from the previous steps. Again, the claims handler is asked to input important information for this step, such as damage estimations, if the policy covers the accident, or any other information pertinent to this claim. Once complete, the user can action the task. We can now see that the stages have been updated, but there is no new task assigned. Currently, the workflow is orchestrating back-end fraud checks with various systems. Once these checks are complete, the process will either move to the next stage or be referred for further manual checks. Now that the automated fraud checks have been completed, the claims handler has been assigned the final task in the process, processing the settlement. They open up the task form, which displays all the information about the claim. They can now process the settlement by completing the relevant information, which on submission will trigger back-end systems to process payments. We're now at the final stage of the process, where a customer receives an email detailing that their claim has been processed and all the relevant documentation is attached. With many simple claims or requests, there may be no need to involve any claim handler in the process. The whole end-to-end workflow could be achieved with straight-through processing. Let's look at a scenario where this could be achieved. As with the previous request, the user logs into the customer portal and opens up Ada, the digital assistant. This time, it's not an accident they're reporting, it's windscreen damage. As this is a standard and routine claim, this can be processed automatically. Using image recognition, Ada categorizes this report as windscreen damage. The customer then submits the claim and the data is passed on to K2 for processing. The customer receives an email detailing that their claim has been received. This is followed shortly by an email which informs them that due to the nature of the claim, it will be processed via the automated system. The email has a link which allows the user to see real-time updates on the claims process. The user clicks on the link to view the customer claim status form. For the purposes of this video, the automated steps have been sped up. In the background, each stage is being completed, either via system integration or using robotic process automation to action each task. Once each stage of the process is complete, the claim is finalised. The customer now receives an email detailing that the claim has been processed and all the relevant documentation has been attached. Alongside these capabilities to enhance internal and external customer experience, the ability to analyse the performance of your processes is a critical step to success. K2 provides greater visibility into business process analytics with out-of-the-box and custom reports, allowing you to gauge process health at a glance. These comprehensive metrics give you the power to monitor engagement, identify bottlenecks, and make continuous business process improvement to increase efficiency within your organisation. For more information about the capabilities of K2 and Ada, please visit k2.com or appendo.se.